Welcome back, folks! Today we'll be showcasing another classic Filipino dish called Kilawing Labanos. That's right. It's a traditional Filipino dish made from Daikon Radish or Labanos in Tagalog. Prepared either as a zesty vinegar-based salad or as a savory main course, typically incorporating pork and liver. Folks, Labanos is not just your typical ingredient to some of your favorite sinigang this or sinigang that. It can be enjoyed as its own dish in itself. That's not only budget friendly, yet also delicious. So stick around and I'll show you how to make them. Let's get started. Alright folks, for our ingredients, we got ourselves some chopped garlic, some sliced onions and tomatoes for our sofrito or aromatics. We'll use a little bit of umami, which is MSG. We'll use some magic syrup, salt and pepper, oil, vinegar, and some fish sauce as well. And for our protein, we got here our pork that I diced up. And our main ingredient, star of the show, would be the radish or labanos in Tagalog, where we cut in strips, about 1.5 inch strips. There you have it, folks. So let's do this. Alright folks, let's get started here. So we pre-boiled this pork in order to get rid of those scums, as you know me already. And then I cleaned them up, rinsed them well. Now we're back here. We're rendering the pork now, all right, until it get all crisped up, and then we'll start our sautéing process. So from here, we're gonna put some salt. Okay. Just gonna see it's gonna boil up. We're gonna render them in medium-high heat, and I'll show you what it looks like when we come back. All right? All right, folks, welcome back. It's probably about 10 minutes after from wet rendering our pork. See, the water's almost gone. Now you want to put your temperature to medium because to avoid splattering, okay? I know that's what scares the many who doesn't know how to cook or it's the first time cooking is the splatter. If you have this on high heat, definitely it will splatter. Now what we're trying to do here now, render the pork. If we can get some oils from that fat, the better. Not that we need to add some oil. And we're gonna brown them up. I rather cook my pork this way. That way I know it's tender. It doesn't have that porky aftertaste. And I can crisp them up if I wanted to. Alright folks, I'll show you here. It's about 10 minutes or so. Our pork starts to brown up already. And it's gonna crisp up too. And what's a better way than having a crisped up pork? Crisped up pork. By the way, I'm using pork belly here, folks. All right, that should be enough. Now we can start sautéing. Our garlics, our onions, and tomatoes. Just put it all there. All right. Bring this up to medium-high heat. Put some fresh ground black pepper here. More the merrier. It's totally up to you. Bit of salt. I don't want to salt this too much because we're going to be using some additives like magic syrup. All right. Let's add in our magic syrup, the flavor. Just continue to saute them until our onions and tomatoes are all softened up. And here we can now add our Labanos or radish. Flavor this up with some fish sauce. Some more of that fresh ground black peppers. Give it a stir. Wow, it's good. It's good. Cover this up for about a minute. That way it absorbs that umami flavor from the fish sauce. Alright, 1 minute's up. Give it a stir. Add some water in. Just enough. And also add our vinegar. This is our key ingredient in making kinilaw. As far as how much, maybe a quarter cup. I like mine on the sour side. Kilawing Labanos, folks. It has to taste like vinegary, sour, with a little bit of saltiness to it, alright? Now once you put the vinegar, do not stir them yet until it boils up. That way it cooks the raw vinegar. Then might as well add some a trio of chili peppers there. That way it has some kick on it. It's optional. Don't want spicy, then don't put on. That smells good. For some people, they don't like the smell of radish. They say it smells like fart. I don't know, man. I like them. But hey, to each his own. If you don't like radish, then don't eat one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I love it. Love it. Maybe a bit more of fish sauce for me. Teaspoon or two. A little bit of umami. There you go. Give this a stir. Now I like mine well done as far as the the texture of the labanos or the radish. That tells you it soaks up all that yum flavors. The vinaigrette and the salty flavor has been soaked up by the veggie. Medium high heat. Let's give this about 2 to 3 minutes. We should be done after that. Show you what it looks like when we come back. Alright folks, let's check back on this. It's about 5 minutes in, so I lied, it's not 2 to 3 minutes to get to that point. See how the color now has changed from white to like pale white or bone. That's when I know that this labanos soaks up all that juices, that bursting flavor, every bite. Gonna taste to that. Woo! Yummy! I'm telling you folks. Wow! Sometimes I surprise myself. Yummy! So there you have it folks. Our Kilawing Labanos. All we need now is some fried fish and some steamed rice. I thank you for watching, and until we cook again. This is so good.